Hold on, put your kickstand on. And get off the bike a little bit.
To act like I'm
a little walk around on the bike. So we can show you. This is the bike. So you can do a little walk around the bike, show the bike.
My dad just bought me my bike yesterday.
Talk to it, they can agree.
My dad just bought me this bike yesterday. And I'm doing better than I was yesterday. And now I'm gonna get on the bike and go somewhere. First I have to put the key in and turn it on. And as y'all know, my dad got me an electric one, so it goes 20 miles an hour. Well, I just crashed, guys, so hold on, give me a second. Right now, I gotta fix. Okay, so right now I'm turning around back to my dad. I had to stop because the truck was in the way. And then once I get back, I'm gonna go this way. Okay guys, so right now, I'm turning to go. It's on. Okay guys, so right now I'm walking around. Y'all see the bike? So do y'all see this right now? This is how you make it go. And this is the brakes when you stop. And right now I'm gonna turn it back on. And
you're doing, you're doing good. Stay towards the, right here. Stay towards the sidewalk when you're coming up, in case these cars like to come around the corner. Put the buffer be on. You're on the right side of your road. Just when you come up to the thing, stop there and slow down a little bit.
Okay. Okay, guys. So right now I'm about to go the same way I just went.
Where did you hit? Okay, so that's why we got to get you some. Remember, some gear. You hit here. You hit your pelvis. You gotta be careful, man. That's why I said don't be going too super fast, dude.
I was gonna turn, but then it was too late. Did I break it?
Huh?
Did I break it?
No, you didn't break it, but you definitely got some rash on there.
Sorry.
On the little handlebar. But that was a nice little, went down a little bit, dude. It was a nice little rash. But you're alright. Alright. Nothing's broken. Nothing's broken. Got a little bit of blood, a little rash, but that's what happens, man, when we're on bikes. You know?
How come you never fell?
Oh, I've wrecked before.
But you never wrecked on your motorcycle.
Well, we always want to hope that we don't wreck, and then when we do wreck, we hope it's a small wreck. We don't want a big, nasty wreck, right? Or we get really hurt. But that's just how you learn. Unfortunately, you gotta crash a couple times when you're learning, dude. So
good thing I didn't hit my face.
we just want to make sure that when we do crash, that we're safe, right?
Good thing I didn't hit my face, though.
Huh?
Good thing it didn't hit my face. Good thing I just rolled.
Yeah, you rolled and you did the exact thing. That's what happens when you happen to hit a little snag, man. You'll go down, but it's okay. We don't let it scare us. We don't let it scare us, and so we never jump back on. It's a challenge. Just like riding any bike. Fall a couple times. I have to make sure everything's tight back up, but good.
It's because the rock that made me slip.
Yeah, you gotta be careful, man.
Did I break the camera? No.
Camera's still recording. All right, let's go ahead and get back home. Well, we need to get it charged up. You can do it. You can do one more run. It's hot. I need a break too. Come on. You could do another run. Up and down. You gotta be careful, dude. Yeah, you gotta be careful. Especially when you're going in a straight line. It's easy to go fast, but like I said,